Yun, so yun guys, welcome back again for another Crosswave Network content. Again, this is Juzo96. Let's go, let's go. So ayun guys, we're breaking down the Crosswave Network event guys. So from how the referral system works, by step participation, reward tips, and my honest first impression. If you want to maximize your rewards and not miss out, watch till the end. So let's go guys!
A few moments later.
So you can see here mga brokers, referring a friend event sa live Crosswave mga brokers. More friends, more rewards. So they are offering mga brokers, they are willing to give 100,000 cross sa lahat ng mga content creators na makakapag-refer ng kanilang mga kaibigan dito sa platform na ito mga brokers, no? So let's start with the referral system mga tole, no? So let's discuss it mga brokers. So the Crosswave Network event is heavily focused on inviting new users into the ecosystem. Basically, you get unique referral code. So you can see here dito yung mga brokers. So this is the unique referral code na pwede nating gamitin, and every time someone join using your code, you earn rewards, no? So yan mga brokers, kung makikita nyo mga tol yan, andi dito na lahat ng mga invites, no? And then makikita nyo din kung ilan yung mga reward na pwede nyo makita, no? So as of the moment mga brokers, hindi pa final yung reward na pwede nyo makuha dito, no? So dito mag-invite ng kaibigan, ganyan, until May 9 yan mga brokers. So estimated event reward is nandito makikita, no? Pero hindi pa yan yung final mga brokers, no? So the more active your referrals are, the better your benefits. Some events even reward you not just for sign up, but for their activity like trading, staking, or completing tasks, no? So mas maganda mga brokies is yung ma-invite nyo is yung active na content creator na makakagawa din ng mga content para kay Cross Network mga tol. There you go. So how to participate mga brokies, no? To join the events, it's actually very simple mga tol. First, you need to register your account on Cross platform. Second, go to the event page. May nagawa na kayong account mga brokies, automatically dapat kailangan nyo pumunta dito sa Crosswave, stream, refer, and earn 5% of every reward. Then once you are here mga brokies, usually found in the dashboard or announcement, diba? So third, activate, generate your referral code. So yung general referral code na i-click nyo dyan sa description, yun yung gagamitin nyo para makasali kayo dito sa Crosswave, no? So once that's done, you're officially part of the event, no? So yun, all goods na yung mga brokies. Once na na-clinic nyo yan at nakapag-register kayo gamit yung referral code na nilagay natin dyan, automatic guys, magagamit nyo na yan at kikita na din kayo dito at makakasali kayo, no?
Meanwhile,
so ito guys, tuturo ko naman sa inyo dito on this part ng video na to mga brokies. I will teach you a quick step-by-step guide to get started. So log in into your Cross account mga brokies. Yeah, once you are already logged in mga brokies, navigate to the Wave Network event section. So punta tayo dito guys, and then copy your referral code link. Yan, di ba? Ito, i-copy nyo yan. Tapos, ito i-share nyo guys. Pwede nyo yan i-share sa X or sa any other platform like Telegram. Basta kahit saan mga brokers, kung saan yung network nyo. Pwede sa YouTube, Facebook, Discord. So, lahat mga brokers. So, pagka nakapag-invite kayo guys, yan, make sure na kailangan din nilang makalogin, no? So, on this part mga brokers, paano tayo dito kikita mga tol, no? So, ang paggawa ng content dito mga brokers is ito yung dapat yung sundin, no? So, referral overview, how to participate, step-by-step guide, reward tips, first impression. So, ito yung dapat nilalaman ng inyong video, kagaya ng ginagawa natin as of now, nung habang pinapanood nyo itong video ko na to, no? So, early participants usually get better exposure. Stay consistent, keep sharing, not just once, diba? And most importantly, focus on quality referrals, not just quantity. Active users, better rewards, diba? So, mas maganda yung active talaga guys, kaysa yung sa madami nga kayong naging referrals pero hindi naman sila active dito sa platform na to. So, my first impression guys, the event is actually a smart way to grow the community. It rewards both the inviter and the new user, which make it feel more balanced. But at the same time, competition can get intense, di ba? So, syempre, mas madami tayong interested dito, mas madami din tayong maghahati-hati para sa referrals, no? So, especially if there's a leaderboard. So, yung leaderboard dito na papasok yan, mga brokies. Kung makikita nyo, guys, ang nangunguna dito sa ating leaderboard is si Mochi TV. So, meron siyang 10,000 cross na reward until matapos tong event na to, no? So on and so forth. Tayo guys, pang 17 cross pa lang yung nabigay natin dito, gawa na hindi natin masyadong gumagawa ng content about dito. And then we will try to make a better content para dito sa campaign na to, mga tol, no? So if you're planning to join, guys, it's better to start early and stay active. So ganun talaga to, mga brokies. So kung gusto niyo sumali dito sa Wave Cross platform, guys, yung mga content dito, much better talaga kung mauuna kayo at makakapag-upload kayo ng mas maaga ng mga content. So that's it for this guide, mga brokies. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your question in the comments. Good luck on the Crosswave Network event and start farming those rewards. So yun lang, guys. Peace out. God bless. Remember, the just shall live by faith. Juice 96. Let's go.